Welcome back, new auto Greyjoy lovers. Today we're diving into one of the most unexpected yet thrilling returns in the world of American muscle, the all-new 2026 Dodge Coronet 440. Yes, you heard that right. Dodge is reviving one of its most iconic names, and they've done it in a way that feels like a perfect fusion of raw 60s muscle and futuristic engineering. If you thought Dodge was finished surprising us after the Challenger and Charger lineup, think again, because the Coronet 440 is here to shake up the streets, ignite nostalgia, and prove that muscle cars are still alive in the electric and hybrid era. Stick with me, because what I'm about to reveal will make your heart race just like the rumble of an old-school V8. The Coronet has always held a special place in Dodge's muscle history. The 440 trim, in particular, symbolized raw American horsepower, aggressive stance, and that unmatched road presence that made it a legend on drag strips and city streets alike. Fast forward to 2026, and Dodge has reimagined the Coronet 440 for a new generation, keeping that spirit of performance alive while wrapping it in modern design, advanced tech, and an attitude that screams power from every angle. The first thing that catches your attention is the exterior. Dodge has crafted a design that pays tribute to the classic Coronet DNA, while ensuring it looks futuristic enough to stand shoulder to shoulder with today's hypercars. The body is wide, low, and sculpted with aerodynamic lines that not only reduce drag but enhance its aggressive profile. The front fascia is dominated by a bold grille that hints at the classic split-style design, flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights that look like they're glaring at you with pure intimidation. The long hood, muscular fenders, and fast-back rear silhouette bring back memories of the golden era of Mopar. Yet everything feels fresh and modern, like a muscle car reborn for the future. And let's talk performance, because this is where Dodge knows exactly how to win over enthusiasts. The 2026 Coronet 440 comes with multiple powertrain options, ensuring it appeals to purists as well as future-forward drivers. At its core, Dodge is offering a re-engineered 6.4-liter HEMI V8, pushing out well over 500 horsepower, tuned for raw torque and thrilling acceleration. For those craving something even more electrifying, there's also a hybrid powertrain option that pairs the HEMI with electric motors, boosting total output close to 700 horsepower while maintaining impressive efficiency. And for the boldest vision of the future, Dodge has hinted at a fully electric Coronet 440 variant that delivers instant torque and a staggering 0 to 60 time under 3 seconds, placing it right alongside modern supercars. But Dodge didn't just stop at straight-line speed. The chassis has been completely redesigned with a mix of lightweight materials and advanced suspension systems, giving the Coronet 440 cornering ability that older muscle cars could only dream of. Adaptive dampers, performance brakes, and all-wheel drive availability in some trims make this a machine that can dominate both the drag strip and winding roads. It's not just a brute force muscle car anymore. It's a refined performance beast for a new generation. Step inside and the cabin greets you with a mix of retro touches and modern luxury. Dodge wanted the interior of the Coronet 440 to feel like a driver's cockpit, and they nailed it. The dashboard features digital displays that can be customized, but Dodge also offers classic-style gauge themes for those who want that old-school vibe. High-quality leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents create a premium feel, while bucket seats hug you tightly whether you're cruising on highways or pushing limits on the track. The center console is driver-oriented with minimal clutter, and a massive infotainment system runs Dodge's latest software with support for AI-driven navigation, over-the-air updates, and advanced performance monitoring. And let's not forget the sound, both under the hood and inside the cabin. For the V8 versions, Dodge has engineered an active exhaust system that roars like a beast when you want it, but tones down for quiet city drives. The hybrid and electric models also come with artificial soundscapes that pay tribute to the rumble of the old Coronet, giving you that emotional connection even when driving clean and silent. Inside, the premium audio system by Harman Kardon delivers concert-like quality, ensuring every drive feels epic. Safety and tech haven't been ignored either. The Coronet 440 comes with the latest driver assist features, from adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, but Dodge has kept the systems optional, so purists can enjoy the raw driving feel if they choose. There's even a track mode that disables assist completely, giving you full control, just like the muscle cars of old. The 2026 Dodge Coronet 440 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It proves that heritage can meet the future without compromise. Dodge has managed to take a name from its legendary past, infuse it with modern innovation, and deliver a muscle car that respects tradition while breaking new ground. Whether you're a die-hard Mopar fan or someone looking for the next great American performance car, the Coronet 440 is set to be one of the most exciting releases of the decade. And there you have it. The return of a true icon, the 2026 Dodge Coronet 440. Bold, powerful, and unforgettable. What do you think? Has Dodge created the perfect bridge between past and future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, because this is a car that deserves a conversation. That's it for today's deep dive into the Reborn legend. If you love muscle cars, futuristic designs, and the perfect mix of power and style, make sure you stay tuned right here. This is New Auto Garage, bringing you the hottest updates, the most exciting reviews, and the cars that make your pulse race. Until next time, keep driving your passion.